Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to class 9. Today our topic of discussion is chapter number 1, the last sermon of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In this video I will just discuss the summary of the chapter, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly at your own at least 3 or 4 times so that you could understand the message in this chapter, the words meaning and the structure and the grammatical structure written in this chapter, right? So let's discuss the summary of this chapter. Summary and meaning as well, right? Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in 570 AD at holy city of Makkah. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم 571 AD at holy city مکہ میں پیدا ہوئے. He belonged to the noble family of Quraysh. آپ قریش کے ایک معزز خاندان سے تعلق رکھتے تھے. قریش were worshipper of idols. اس زمانے میں قریش جو ہے وہ بتوں کی پوجا کیا کرتے تھے. God chose حضرت محمد peace be upon him as last of his prophet. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کو اللہ نے آخری نبی بنا کر بھیجا. He asked Quraysh not to worship their false gods. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے قریش سے کہا کہ اپنے بتوں کی پوجا، اپنے جھوٹے خداؤں کی جو ہے عبادت نہ کریں. He told them to worship one and only true God. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے قریش کو کہا کہ آپ ایک اور ایک سچے خدا کی عبادت کریں اینڈ ایکسیپٹ دا ریلیجن آف اسلام، اور اسلام کا جو مذہب ہے اس کو آپ ایکسیپٹ کریں، قبول کریں. بٹ دے اپوزڈ نیو فیتھ، مگر انہوں نے اس عقیدے کی بہت شدید مخالفت کی. ڈیو ٹو دس فیئرس اپوزیشن، اس شدید مخالفت کی وجہ سے ہولی پروفٹ پیس بی اپان ہم آسکڈ the believers to migrate to مدینہ. اس شدت کی ہونے کی وجہ سے آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے اپنے بلیورز سے کہا کہ آپ جو ہے وہ ہم مدینہ کی طرف ہجرت کر چلیں. ان 622 migration took place and is known in history as ہجرہ. 622 میں آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے ہجرت فرمائی، اور اس واقعے کو جو ہے وہ ہسٹری میں ہجرہ کے نام سے جانا جاتا ہے. ان مدینہ ہولی پروفٹ پیس بی اپان ہم اسٹیبلشڈ این اسلامک سوسائٹی. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے مدینہ میں ایک اسلامک سوسائٹی کی بنیاد رکھی بیسڈ آن یونیورسل برادرہڈ، جس کا جو بنیاد تھی وہ یونیورسل بھائی چارہ تھا. ان دی 10th year آف ہجرہ پروفٹ پیس بی اپان ہم along with his followers performed last حج. ہجرت کے 10ویں سال آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے اپنے فالوورز کے ساتھ حج جو ہے وہ پرفارم کیا. دیر ہی ایڈریسڈ اے ویری لارج گیدرنگ. وہاں پر آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے ایک بہت بڑی گیدرنگ سے خطاب کیا، خطبہ دیا. دس ایڈریس از نون ایز لاسٹ سرمن آف ہولی پروفٹ. اس خطبے کو آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کا آخری خطبہ کہا جاتا ہے، یا اس جو تقریر تھی اس کو جو ہے وہ آخری خطبہ کہا جاتا ہے. ان لاسٹ ایڈریس the prophet peace be upon him told that all men and women are equal in the eyes of God. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے اپنی اس آخری خطبے کے اندر کہا کہ اللہ کی نظر میں تمام مرد اور عورتیں برابر ہیں. no Arab was better than non Arab. کسی عرب کو کسی نان عرب پر کوئی فوقیت حاصل نہیں ہے. a white man was not in any way better than a black man. کسی بھی صورت میں کوئی گورا شخص کسی کالے پر ترجیح نہیں رکھتا. only the qualities of a person made him better than others. صرف اور صرف اس کی کوالٹیز جو ہیں وہ دوسرے سے اس کو بہتر بناتی ہیں. he further said all men and women are children of Adam. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے مزید کہا کہ تمام عورتیں اور مرد جو ہیں وہ آدم کی اور بچے آدم کی اولاد ہیں. the Adam was created from dust. آدم کو ڈسٹ سے پیدا کیا گیا. in the end Holy Prophet peace be upon him said that he was leaving to them the holy book of God, the Quran. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے آخر میں کہا کہ میں آپ کے درمیان اللہ کا کلام چھوڑے جا رہا ہوں. if believers acted upon its teaching, اگر ماننے والے، اگر آپ لوگوں نے اس پر عمل کیا، اس کے اندر جو چیزیں بتائی گئی ہیں قرآن شریف میں، اگر آپ اس پر عمل کرتے رہے، they will never remain great and they will ever remain great and successful. اب ہمیشہ کامیاب رہو گے، اب ہمیشہ مرتبے پہ، بلند مرتبے پہ رہو گے. رائٹ، یہ ایک چھوٹی سی سمری میں نے آپ کے سامنے ڈسکس کی اس پورے چیپٹر کی. آپ اس چیپٹر کو یو ہیو ٹو ریڈ دس چیپٹر اگین اینڈ اگین ایٹ لیسٹ 3 or 4 times, right, as I have told you earlier. Now answer the question below. At the end of this chapter you will find some questions you have to reply. Even though you can see in the slide the answer is there, but at your own you have to write, right. Number 1 is when and where was Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him born. And number 2 is, why did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, ask his followers to migrate to Medina? And number 3 is, when did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, migrate to Medina, or what is Hijrah? Number 4 is, what were the 3 principles on which Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, founded an Islamic society? Number 5 is, what does the last sermon of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, teach us? And number 6 is, what did the Quraysh used to do? And number 7 is, what did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, ask the Quraysh? Number 8, what did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, say about the superiority of man? And number 9, what did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, leave behind for us guidance? And number 10, how can we get our former greatness in the world? Now see here some exercises, grammatical exercises, the use of since and for. The time expression since and for indicate the duration of an action. Dear students, we use for to say how long something lasts. It means that for is used for the duration of time, for the period of time, right? For example, it has been raining for 2 hours. We cannot say it has been raining since 2 hours. It will be wrong. The house has been empty for 6 months, and since is used for the point of time. It means gives the starting point of action or events. It says when things happen. Now, for example, it has been raining since morning. We cannot say it has been raining for morning. It will be wrong. The house has been empty since January. Note that we often use the present perfect or present perfect continue or past simple tense with since and for. No other thing will be used, right? I have been learning classical dance for 6 months. Not I am learning classical dance for 6 months. It has been raining since morning, not it is raining since morning. It will be wrong. Now some grammar exercises are given at the end. Now you can see, complete the following sentences using since and for. Number 1, he has been looking for a job since for a job dash February, and I have been running this blog dash 10 years. He has been jobless dash 6 months. They have known each other since their school days, and I have known him dash 20 years. I haven't seen Sunita dash Diwali. We have been good friends dash university days, and number, it has been a long time dash last meeting. Number 9, I once studied the piano dash 6 months. And number 10 is, how long have you been there dash, right? Now see here which expression go with since and with for. Now the use of since and for we have understood, and we are given at the end of this some exercises to do. Now this exercise is about the expression, which expressions go with since and which go with for. Last week, a short time, a decade, Deepavali, the day before yesterday, centuries, June 22nd, June, several weeks, 2009, 6 months, or ages, right? Now here see, you can see the use of the expression with since and with for. Now we can use since with the expression of since last week, since childhood, since the day before yesterday, since June, since 22nd June, since 2009. And we can use for with the expression for a short time, for centuries, for several weeks, for 6 months, and for ages, right? Choose 3 since expressions and 3 for expressions from the table above. Write 6 sentences, then write 6 sentences using the pattern given below. For example, I haven't seen him since the day before yesterday. I have not seen him for ages. Now write a note on the last. Write a note. It is you have to make the assignment. Write a note on the last sermon of the Holy Prophet. Number 2, write an application to your school principal for 3 days casual leave. Write an essay on my happiest day of life, about 200 words. It should not be less than 200 words, right? Write a letter to your friend to send the notes for your exam preparation. So this is all about the chapter. This is the end, and you have to do the work and if you have got any problem, you can send us the email, or you can discuss by sending a letter, or by sending any kind of by using any kind of social media, I mean the apps, right? Thank you very much.